Hello and welcome to GrossiMath.com, where math is for everyone. Today we'll be solving question 3 from the 2017 Algebra 1 STAAR using the TI-Nspire calculator. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a very straightforward question. It says, which graph best represents the solution set of this inequality? If I see an inequality, I should be very happy because it means I can very easily graph it in the TI-Nspire. Okay, when it says solution set basically means the colored in area and this little line right here. Okay, so solution set is referring basically to the graph, just that colored in area and that line. Okay, so let's take a look at the calculator and see if we can figure this out. Let's turn on the zoom screen so you guys can see better. Okay. All right. Pardon my voice today, by the way. I have a little bit of allergies, but I'm still trying to make some videos for you guys. So I'm going to press Control N to start a new problem, and I'm going to press No. Okay. Now I'm going to go to Graph. So that's the G right there in my strategy that I wrote down. And then I'm going to delete and push the number 6. That stands for relation, and that's the R in the strategy that I wrote down. Okay, now I'm going to just copy the inequality exactly how it is on my paper. Now y plus 4, now to get the little inequality, just in case you don't know, to get the little less than or equal to, you press Control equal sign. And right there you can see less than or equal to on your calculator screen. You just choose it and you keep going. Okay, now we're going to put our fraction. It has negative 1 on top, 7 on the bottom. And then right here we're going to press parentheses and put x plus 5. And press enter. Okay. So now I can see that this graph, okay, and maybe well, let's just take a very close look at it. You can see that it's colored in, it's way down here, okay, and one thing you always want to do is make sure that you put, I think I know the right answer right now, but I just want to point out a few skills to you guys that you guys will need for other problems, so just stick with me here. On top of this line, you just put the little hand on top of the line and you click. And it's going to show you if the line is solid or if it's broken. So if the line is solid, then you need to have a solid line in your answer choice. So let's take a quick look at our answer choices. There we go. Okay, now I can clearly see that this one has a broken line. So guess what? That means choice A is pretty much out. Choice B has a broken line, so he's out. Okay, and now looking at my line on my calculator screen, I can also see that it has, it's sort of going down from left to right. It has a negative slope. So these two have a negative slope, but this one is colored underneath the line, colored in underneath the line. So that means that I'm going to choose choice C. That'll be my answer because this one was colored in above the line, and that one means that choice D is also out. Okay, so there you go. This one has to be the correct answer. Now what if there's something that looks kind of close? The last thing you can do is just check some important points to see which one is a true match. So for example, this one is crossing, that says -5. So this one, the y-intercept is -5. And here on my calculator screen, I can see, let's zoom it in for you guys again. There we go. I can see on the screen that it is in fact 1, 2, 3, 4, close to -5. Very, very close to -5. So probably the graph even on our screen was on close to -5, and it's just too small for us to see that little piece. So this is clearly the correct answer. choice D. Okay, so today we learned how to graph an inequality using the TI-Nspire calculator and how to check if the line is solid or broken. We also learned to check some important points, and we learned how to get the inequality by pressing Control and equal sign on the calculator screen. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to click the bell icon. And of course to visit the website where math is for everyone, www.grossimath.com. Have a great day, guys.